So in today's video, our focus is refreshing and transforming our tea station. Keep watching. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel to see what I'm doing here on the Johnson Ranch. I'm starting off with some light cleaning as I transform my tea station from winter to spring. And my colors are shades of green with a touch of gold and cream. These jars were quick DIYs. I purchased them from Dollar General and added the crystal knobs that I purchased from Big Lots. Voila! And they were transformed in a few moments. So if you're new here, let me take this opportunity to introduce myself to you. I am Katrina, and this is the Priceless Pearl Life. It's a lifestyle channel where I share my love of home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, and shopping hauls. If these are things that interest you, then you already know what to do. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. I would love to have you join my growing YouTube family. Video uploads will be on Tuesday and Thursdays at 6 o'clock p.m. That's right, I'm changing my upload schedule slightly. So it will be Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 o'clock p.m. I'll see you then. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video. Okay, now is a good time to catch up on videos you may have missed, like my Spring Into It primary bedroom and bathroom refreshes and makeovers, as well as my living room updates. And by chance, just in case you missed it, hop on over to the live section and watch my live shopping haul. See you next time on the Priceless Pearl Life.